Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Umusa posts this cute picture of him and Umatsele, you guys. And he captioned it, "My pillar of strength, Indlunkulu, Umamkulu, Matsele." And then you can see there's a plate there, they're smiling. The plate there is written, "Happy Valentine's Day." So we can see they went out on a date, guys, for Valentine's Day. Anazige, guys, is this the benefits of being a first wife? Is this the benefits of being the big madam? You are the one who gets chosen to be taken out on such special occasions. Guys, Geniawazi, I'm a fans of Uthando Nesthembu. Hey, our kama fans angakoli jengo Uthando Nesthembu, you guys. Someone even said, "Hey, bo, from furniture to my pillar of strength." I was like, "Katilina, guys, alinkolin." Emshadweni, guys, people forgive one another. In real life, even when, okay, some things well, but in real life, guys, we hurt one another, we forgive one another. God, as the fans, people forget that. They throw it outside the window and they make it seem as if Umatsele is stupid in some sense for doing this. Cyborg, guys, that is a husband at the end of the day. But the question is, guys, how does Umusa do it? Because some people in the comment section were like, "Hi, it's not fair. When Musa, how could you take out Umatsele? What about the other wives? You've got 5 wives in Ini." I'm like, guys, Abo, angitibangene besazi. And that's the unfortunate part. We don't know yet, guys, if Umusa got to take them all out, which I doubt, because I mean, at the end of the day, he is one person and he has the same number of hours that we all have. So it could be maybe Lelalanga Lama Valentine was Umatsele's day. Maybe he went to each and every house, the other wife's house. He dropped off a gift, or he spent a little time with them, and then Umatsele was the only one who got a dinner because it was her day, Angazi. But it just seems offish to me, because if, for instance, it was Mbali's day, do you think Umusa would have taken out Mbali and let Umatsele sulk like that, whereas she is the big madam? I don't think so. I think the other wives just kind of, it's like just the way when they go out on these family trips, the one woman that he will sleep with that everyone else will not complain about is Umatsele. So everyone kind of understands. So when they take out Umatsele, then there's no fuss. But if it was Umakhumalo, hey, people would have made a big fuss out of it. But anyway, guys, that's Umusa's life. I mean, number 5, she has to accept, isn't she's busy? Her man had time for her when, or I'm thinking what he might have made time for her when they were jollering. Manje when he marries her, I girl khohlwa my man uzophelele phone, because this guy is a busy guy. I'm even wondering, guys, how does he balance his businesses and spending time with these wives? Because you can't tell me indoda that's just coming to sleep by your house efika ngo-10 ebusuku or ngo-7 ebusuku, that's spending time with you. So that's not really actually spending time with me. So where does he get the time to spend time with his wives and run his businesses? Yo, guys, anyway, hey, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.